What's up, guys? It's January 22nd, 2024. What a day. It's a really boring day. I got shredded to pieces. I'm down 1,600 on my funded account. Oh my god, I was going to get paid out next week. That hurts. It hurts, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm going to have to play it slow, build some cushion up, and then I'm going to, just have to play it slow. Yesterday was a bull trend. You could buy any bar and you were good to make money. It was a pretty strong trend too. I mean, really quick we found a low and excuse me, ripped for about 60 points. Today I think it's natural to see a I say it's natural after I get shredded. Today was a consolidation day. Strong gap up with continuation on bar 1. That was an abnormally big arrow for no reason. Okay, restart. Strong gap up with bar 1 being continuation, and then bar 2 is follow through for bar 1. Bar 3 looks like a 50% pullback of bar 1, and bar 4 shows a bounce, so this could be seen as a 50% pullback, and bar 5 is follow through of bar 4. Bar 6 shows bad follow through for bar 5 and gives a triple top appearance with bar 7. Bar 7 is selling off pretty strong. It looks kind of menacing from a leg 1 pullback leg 2 perspective, and then the bulls buy again on bar 8. Maybe the bulls that bought here buy lower and get out at 50%. Bars 10, 11, and 12 and 13. I'm seeing a bearish channel, breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback. There's 4 legs there, and I counted them really easy from a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. If you're counting legs, there's so many ways to count legs. You can count legs through micro channel breaks, or lately I've been really into opposite bar breaks because it is an easy repeatable way. I am looking at micro trend lines. Like for micro trend line breaks, I count that as a leg in the back of my head, but I'm not making a full-blown decision until I see an opposite bar pullback. So I would count like leg 1 pullback, leg 2 pullback, leg 3 pullback, leg 4 pullback, leg 5, and all these legs are asymmetrical. I had to look up that word before I said it to make sure it meant not symmetrical. Oh man, my brain is fried. I get so fried when I get shredded. So we have this bearish channel, and then what I mean by micro channel legs, if I said that right, is here would be a micro leg 1, leg 2, because this breaks this bar, and this low and this high breaks the trend line for the bears. And yeah, leg 1 down, leg 2, or you could say leg 1 pull back, leg 2 pull back, leg 3 pull back, leg 4 pull back, leg 5. Pretty weak bear channel. I mean, there's bull bars very quickly. Every 2 bars there's a bull bar, so that's not good. Lots of wicks on bar 13 with a big bar and ended up wicking. Not good. It looks the EMA was acting as resistance today, but it was more of a mean reversion day. You can buy the low into the EMA, buy the low into the EMA, short the high into the EMA. Really boring day. There's not too much to say. It's a limit order market. Bar 16 you could short, but then you sit through a pullback, a deep pullback, and then you get 2 legs down again. Bar 20 to 24 is a rip up, and you can see the bar is getting weaker from the breakout because the EMA is acting as resistance. I shorted bar 27 thinking it was a bigger leg 1, leg 2 move. Then I hit out pretty much as this bar was forming, and then this bar happened again, and I market ordered in, and then it ripped up, and yeah, your boy got out again. So yeah, it was a pretty frustrating day, and confusion is a sign of a range day, range bound price action. It's a limit order market. You have to sell the good bull bars and buy the good bear bars. It's counterintuitive to what we had on Friday, which I think makes today even more challenging. It's the exact opposite of what we had at Friday. It'd be like one thing to have a pullback and then some sort of weak bull leg up from a continuation of this, but I was thrown off today, honestly. I got thrown off. I got down 1,600 on the funded. It's gonna get paid out yesterday. I can't. I think I just said that. Once again, I filmed. This is the second time I'm filming the breakdown because I filmed the first one with the mic muted. So I'm gonna keep it short. It's range bound price action. But there's one thing that'd be interesting. When Al Brook says that we have range bound price action, it's best to divide the day up into thirds. Ooh. So here we can see that right here. So let me get rid of the 50% mark. There we go. So per the Al Brooks way, he would say you sell the top half and you get out in the middle or the bottom half. You buy the bottom range and you sell out in the middle-ish or the top half or the top part of the range, I mean. And that in this format would work. If you guys want the fib levels really quick, I'll throw them up for you. It's the easy fib levels. 0 for the starting, 1, 0.7, and 0.3. That's, I said them out of order, but this is 0, 0.3, 0.7, and 1. And yeah, and that can divide your day up if it's a range bound price action day. You could do it like this, but then if Al Brooks rules say on range days we don't trade in the middle, so you could just buy low and scalp out because that is a rule, is to scalp out in the middle if it starts to turn around. So many ways to play it today. Don't play it how I played it and shorting every good bear bar, and then I think I bought one bull bar and I just lost the plot. It might not have been this one. I got to go back and look. I pretty much got whipsawed. And then I was actually in profits right here. And yeah, I got out at the high of this wick for a red trade. And I was like, okay, I'm done today. This is Garbo. This is the candle I bought. When I said I was done, I came back and I literally bought this candle and this candle closed. I was like, yeah, I should have called it. Or when I said I was calling it, I should have just called it because, I also bought this bull bar. But yeah, I mean, it's a price action breakdown, not a cry about your losses breakdown. So it's a good day. It was range bound PA. It was not a good day. It was range bound PA. Buy low, sell high is all I really have to say. It's really hard to count legs in this type of price action because it's range bound. I will say look out for second leg traps. So here would be a second leg trap. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, second leg trap. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, second leg trap. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. And these pullbacks these pullbacks are so small. They're micro pullbacks. So much overlap. It is just overlap central on the 5-minute chart. I know a lot of people would say, let me switch to a lower time frame so I can catch the move. But in reality, there's no point in switching to a lower time frame on a range bound day, from what I understand, because you just get good at setting limit orders. Right here is showing us buying pressure, so we can think of this as a buy zone. And yeah, I mean, you buy this zone from this wick, and it works for a scalp. Range bound markets are always scalping. It's not a swing trading environment. Here's the weekly chart. I'm going to go over the weekly chart and then the daily chart. And I'm going to keep the 45-minute up on the right because I like the weekly chart. I was looking at it a lot today, and it was helping out. I wanted to talk about the weekly chart a little bit because this is also, I did not catch this, but this is the first pullback in a really strong trend. So if we put that in context of maybe last week's trades, and we're like, wait a minute. First bear bar after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks, and that was just a quick count. I didn't really see. Okay, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I guess 9 again. I miscounted the first time. So after 9 weeks, we had the first bear bar and a strong trend above the EMA. First reversal fails, and look, price action is fractal. There's the proof again. We saw on the daily chart the first pullback to the EMA was a good buy. And now we have a second pullback with follow through. This is a breakout. Bounce, pullback, head and shoulders. I think that's like an inverse head and shoulders. I don't really know, but the idea is the bears failed 3 times and the last leg was smaller than the stronger leg. So yeah, 45-minute chart shows about the same thing. We can see a lot of sideways overlap sideways overlap. We can see a lot of overlap on the 45-minute chart. Really hard day for me. I hope you guys did not get shredded like your boy. Yeah, I don't got too much to say. I hope you guys are studying. Thank you for the support. There's a lot of new comments, a lot of new members. Welcome, everybody. I appreciate all your support and comments and help. You guys help me. All the questions you guys ask me, it helps me study. Sometimes I have to go back and I have to look up the answer, which I kind of prefer to do it that way. Thank you for your support. Keep using your stop loss. Share your chick. I hope you had a good year last year. Jared, I hope you had a good year. And everyone else in the comments, I hope you guys are having a good year. Starting the year off strong. I still think I'm starting the year off strong. I almost got smoked today on a PA account, which really sucks. But, hey, that's life. I'm going to just take it slow. Take some scalps. So this is kind of what's messing me up, and then I'll call it real quick. I say I'm going to take it slow because today was range bound. But what's range bound? Range bound is breakout mode. So if the market cycle says we trend, then we channel, then we range, then we break out. Actually, I want to draw that for you guys. The market cycle. We trend, then we channel, and then we go range bound. And what's range bound is breakout mode. And then the market decides we go up or down for another trend, and the cycle restarts. So this would be the trend. Oh, that's red. Yeah, you guys see the trend, channel, range, breakout. And I don't want that downwards arrow to give off the impression I'm looking for a sell. It could just very well go trading range and another breakout, which technically would be more likely because the prior trend always influences the next range, but over 20 bars, the range becomes more 50-50. So we do have this influence from today, but we've had 81 bars. So the markets are becoming more 50-50. But if we look at the higher time frames, it's still we're still collecting bull bars. So I don't wanna keep ranting here. I appreciate everyone's support. Thank you guys. I will talk to you tomorrow. I freaking have jury duty tomorrow. Oh, I'm gonna avoid it. All right, have a good one, guys. I'm out of here. Bye.